Hi, today I'm gonna give you a natural anti-aging facial mask solution to help restore skin youth without breaking your pocket or bringing you any pain. Cornstarch facial mask helps to remove wrinkles on your face, similar to Botox, and the effect is immediate. So, we have here 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 5 teaspoons of carrot juice, 1 teaspoon yogurt, and water. Start by mixing a spoon of starch with half a glass of cold water and boil until the mixture becomes a thick paste. Put the mixture aside and leave it to cool. After the mixture has cooled, add the carrot juice and the yogurt and mix well. The mask should be applied on clean skin, in a thick layer, and should be left for 25 minutes. Rinse the skin with warm water and then moisturize it with your favorite cream. For long-term effect, the facial mask should be applied thrice a week. The starch facial mask refreshes the skin, reduces wrinkles, and makes the skin become firmer, more elastic, and smooth. I have been using this face mask thrice a week, and it's really a very effective recipe. I'm so excited. It's so easy to prepare as all the ingredients are available in our kitchen, and yet it's so effective. Do try this out, and if you like it, please share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit from this face mask. And thank you so much for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share.